you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also leave a subscription down below. So guys, today we are talking about Mr. Gumbi, the famous Mr. Gumbi, guys, with 3 wives. Mr. Gumbi was getting married, like he is already married, but he was making things official with the last wife. He has 3 wives, like Ugi Wistembuji, He also had a reality show, Jay. He is famous, man. He is known for having big backs, like for having mola. So Kiasana, people have been speculating with Konte of their family layer. You arrive there when you go to start your marriage, you arrive there as a black woman. But as time goes by, you become a colored, you become a yellow bone. So, Nje, those were speculations, allegedly. Hey, don't quote me on that. So now people have been speculating, which I man, something is going on, something is beating the waters. Because why are all these people getting whiter and whiter day by day? Even Nai himself, it's not only the wives. And when it comes to the wives, guys, we don't know exactly because sometimes you are much lighter when you have makeup on. So but maybe it's just makeup. But for him, he does not wear any makeup. And so now people have been speculating with her, this guy is also bleaching. Mr. Gumbi wants to be a yellow bone. And now there are speculations for Utwa. The bleaching has gone wrong. Bleaching has gone wrong. He is no longer lighter than he used to be, on his face. The hands, the hands, guys, just look at the hands. The hands are much darker, like, hey, what happened, Mr. Gumbi? Did the bleaching go wrong now? Hey, son. Not that his hands were white, like izandla ze-yellow bone, but they were not this black. People, even the face now no longer has the normal color that we know him of, because he was yellow bone with dark lips. The hands were yellow, and then here they go black. So now people are speculating, but we think the bleaching has gone wrong because then Hashem unyamarele, like he has been off the internet for a while, and then when he comes back, hi putushile phela. I don't know, guys. Do you guys think maybe it's just the camera kesana that made him look like this, or vele vele ushile vele but ushile nje amakrema amjikele? And I don't understand. This guy is moneyed. Like he can get proper bleaching le eyenziwa ama-celebrity esingeke siwabize amagama wabo because we'll get into trouble. But he can get proper bleaching, like bleaching nje ezomenza ukuthi abe yellow bone lela afuna ukuba yilo. Because now sekuze kuthiwa lesandla sakhe isandla semfene. Guys, no, something is wrong here. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let us know, do you guys think it's the camera, or really is it bleaching gone wrong, or we should mind our own business? I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.